creating a website is involved some cost, because in order to create a website you will need domain name, what is the address of your website, and the hosting server where your website files will be stored. So if someone is visiting your website, some places where your website files are stored, that is called as hosting server. In this video I'll share the ways by which you can create your own website with free domain and free hosting. And yes, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I want to welcome you guys. I am Tapesh from Chowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool ways by which you can generate your first income over online. So actually yesterday I got a message from one of my subscriber, one of my friend. He texted me that he don't have any money to create his first website, to create his first affiliate website. Then I figured out that there is some other way by which he can create his first website that is also free of cost. And free of cost means there is no charges of domain, there is no charges of hosting. But yes, understand one thing, domain name and hosting is very important in order to, if you are creating a business, because domain name or website is a face of online face of your business, or maybe your services or anything. So make sure you people invest some money. If you don't have any money, then you can use this strategy in order to get started and in order to generate some money. And after, once you have that money, you can involve in your business, maybe by purchasing a domain name, or maybe by purchasing a good hosting. So make sure you people watch the full video so that you can understand how you can create your first website without even investing any money for domain name and hosting. So without making delay, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you how you can create your first website that is for free of cost and with the help of free domain and free hosting. So let's get started. Alright guys, now I'll show you how you can create your website for free of cost. It might be any of your affiliate website or anything. So we will use different website and we will use free domain name, free hosting, and WordPress. So WordPress is a very versatile tool where you it's a basically CMS tool, content management system, and with the help of WordPress you can create your website for free of cost. And yes, this video is going to be helpful for any of the people who are student, or maybe they don't want to invest money in a different kind of hosting or domain. But yes, those people who are professional, or maybe those people who want to create their professional website, this video is particularly for those students who want to earn money but they don't want to invest in different kind of hosting or in domain name. So in order to create website, we use one website that is called Freenom actually, for free domain, and infinityfree.net. It's for free of cost for free hosting. So we have to go to one website that is called Freenom to register our domain name. So say for example I am creating a domain on my name Tapesh, and after that you have to click on check availability and you will get these kind of domains. Okay, and yes, one more thing, you won't get any domain like .com, .in, something like that. These are all free domain, free allies which you can use, but still, as I said, this is not for not best for professional use. But yes, just to try, just to learn, you can use this kind of methods, or else if you don't want to invest any money. So say for example I am taking this domain tapesh.ml. so after that you have to click on get it now, and once you click on get it now button, you will redirect to checkout page. You have to click this button. Okay, then it will redirect to checkout page where you have to register on that particular website to register your domain. So once the domain is registered, we will go to this website that is infinityfree.net, and this is for hosting. So we are using this website Freenom for domain name and this website for hosting. So they are providing free of cost hosting. And yes, once you register your domain, after you click on availability, this is the cart page, and here you can select for how long you want to register. So up to 12 months it is free of cost. After that you have to click on the period, and you have to select 12 months, and after that you have to click on continue button, and it will redirect to the next page for registration of your name, website, name details, and the registration process basically. Okay, so here, as I said, you can register with the help of Gmail, or maybe if you want to register, you have to give your email address, and after that you can verify your email address. You will get one confirmation mail on that particular email address, and after that you can proceed. And as you can see, the domain name is it's showing 0.00 USD, means it's totally free of cost. And yes, I have already signed in, and basically you have to sign in to this particular website. After that you will be able to see your domain name. Okay, so I have already signed in, and as I can show you, this is my domain. And yes, one more thing, in my this page, as I said, I'll also share my personal strategy of affiliate product launch. So this is very important, guys, affiliate product launch. And I'll show you. Make sure, if you think that you know the strategy, or maybe if you think that you know everything, then also I'll request you people to watch the full video, because you will get a lot of values. And this is not only particularly for free website, free domain, free hosting. I'll share one of my personal strategy no one shares basically, so you can learn. Just make sure you people watch the full video. So after completion of this part of getting of registering domain and hosting, registering the website, I'll share this strategy as well. So as of now, I have registered domain name ecoshow.ml. So as I said, I have not logged in here, so I have already logged in, and I have created a domain name for EcoShow. Why I have chosen EcoShow, I'll share in the later part of the video, but make sure you people watch the full video. So what you have to do, as I can show you, if I go to my domain, and it will show my domain is registered and status is active, means domain has been, the part of domain has completed. Now you have to go to registration for free hosting. So you have to simply click on sign up for now, and as they are giving free domain, free hosting, so here you have to fill up this form, and again you will get confirmation mail on your email ID, and you can you will get your remaining details like verification email, and you can proceed further. So I have also logged into my hosting account, Infinity Free, where you have to just sign in. And I have already signed in, and after that, once you sign in, then you have to go to one option. I'll show you, accounts. So you have to click on the new account, and here you have to give one domain name. So say for example, as I have selected already domain, so I am giving one free domain name, and again this link will be something like tapesh.epz.com. so as I said, it is not professional. After that you have to click on this, you have to just what is this stairs, right? So you have to just prove them that you are not a robot. You have to verify yourself, and after that you have to click on create account, and after you create your account, then you have to just simply set up the account. Now the registration process is complete, and they are setting up my hosting account. It will take couple of minutes, and after that you can see your website is registered. See here, it will show as active. And to make this video shorter, I have already created, I have one account, my hosting account, and as I said, this is my username, and this is my website URL, where what they have created for me. So after this account is activated, then you have to go to control panel. So in control panel you will see they are redirecting this particular thing is redirecting to hosting, I mean cPanel. So those people who knows what is cPanel, so that is a control panel of your website, and right hand side of that particular cPanel bar you can see your FTP account, and MySQL database is unlimited, domain name is add-on domain is unlimited, and these are things like disk size that is unlimited. You can see several other details as well from this particular cPanel. So after you come to cPanel, you have to go to one option that is called Softacolas app installer. So why we are using this application, this is for installing the WordPress, because as I said in the earlier, we will use your WordPress and as we have already registered our domain name, already registered our hosting, now we have to install WordPress on our hosting. After you click on this, it will redirect you to this page. Yeah, it is redirecting to this page, and here you have to click on WordPress, and you can see it is showing there are different things as well. So we can use install WordPress from here. Just click on install, and it will install the WordPress on a particular hosting. So I am selecting http.www, and this is my domain name, and the directory is wp, and I'm not changing anything. So admin and password, here you can see the you have to give a password, and or else it will take PASS as a default name. Then you can select any of the theme from here. So let's select this, and after that you have to click on install. So once you click on install, it will take a couple of minutes to setting up all the things. It is showing as already exists. Okay, so I have already, as I said, to make this video shorter, I have already created one account. So let me install in different other directory. So I'm creating a new directory, and again the same process. So this is my password, my login, and after that I have to select any of the theme. So let's say I am selecting this theme. So after that I need to click on install. So once you click on install button, it will take a couple of minutes to set up all the files. I mean the whole thing, the WordPress is installing on your hosting panel. So once you click once you see your hosting panel is ready, then you will see this kind of message, congratulations message, and this is your website URL, and this is your admin panel, admin URL. Okay, so let's see how our website looks now. So I'm just opening this particular URL, and also I need this administrative URL just to change my details on my website. So this is how our new website looks like. So as I said, this is the URL, and yes, this is not professional as well. So as I said initially, if you are starting very new, then you can just create your website with this with the help of this video. Okay, so now I have to go to my admin panel. So let's see how my admin panel looks like. So yeah, I have already logged in. As I said, I have already created in a new folder, so it is showing as new, but for you people it will show as this is the URL and /wp admin. And yes, you can already see what is your administrative URL. This is the control panel of your WordPress, and from here you can change anything and everything. Okay, so you can install different kind of plugins, different kind of things, and yes, as I said, you can just customize the whole part, customize anything of your website. Okay, so now website part is ready. We have installed the WordPress. Now the next part, now we have to connect this domain to our hosting panel. So what we have to do to connect the domain? So we have to go to one option, that is in domain in Freenom website. Then I have to click on manage domain. Just click on manage domain, and then you have to change the domain name server. Okay, as of now it is not connected with this particular hosting provider, and I have to connect. So how we can connect? So for that we'll show, this is my account details of hosting panel, and in order to change this domain name, I have to go to name server. As I said, I have to change my name server. So click on management tools and name servers, then here use custom domain. For you people it will show as default name server, and this is the name server of particular website, this Infinity website, and this is the domain name server. Here you can change the name server. You have to give ns1 epz.com and ns2 epz.com. after that you have to click on name server, and once you save this changes, it will take nearly around 24 hours to get reflected on the particular website. So what will happen? So whenever anyone will click on this particular link, as I said, it is my domain, and for this particular video I have already created domain name of tapesh.ml. So in the same way, I have already created a domain. So whenever anyone clicks on this particular domain, let's say for example your name.ml or something, that it will redirect to this page because you have already connected your domain with hosting. So this is so simple, this is so easy, and yes, it will take nearly around 24 hours once you update the name server, and they have clearly mentioned over here. If you see it is not redirecting immediately, there is nothing to worry, it will take a little bit time. But most important part, you have to understand how things work, and those people who has little bit money, and because understand one thing, those things, this is not looking professional, right? So maybe if my website is tapeshchowdhury.com, and here you will get one subdomain, this is completely irrelevant, right? What no one wants, because domain name is the identity of your business, it is the identity of yourself, or it is the identity of your brand. So domain name should be professional, and this is the only reason I suggest you people use this website. This is a Bluehost. Here you will get free domain, free SSL certificate, and one-click installation of WordPress. Whatever I have given instruction over here, with the same strategy, with the same steps, you can install with the help of one click. And this is a very good website, I mean very good hosting provider, and the costing charge is $3.95 per month. That is very negligible. Okay, so if you want to build your brand, build your own website, this is the thing what you have to do instead of going free domain or hosting. Okay, so now this is hosting and domain part is over. And one more thing, what is the what I told you, my personal strategy. So here as I said, my personal strategy of affiliate product launch and ranking strategy of keyword bombarding. So understand affiliate product launch. So what is my personal strategy of affiliate product launch? So say for example, I have seen one of the product, that is EcoShow, is newly launched, and for EcoShow, if I create any website, maybe after that if I give any affiliate link, so there are a lot of chances, because there no one is working on EcoShow product and the price is little bit high, and yes, this is called as affiliate launch. So whenever any new product comes, it doesn't matter, I have websites for different products on ClickBank, different products on JVZoo, different products on high ticket products of basically Amazon, and I have nearly around 20 to 25 plus of domain names what I do. So whenever there is new product launch, I create a domain on that particular name, and I create 2 or 3 pages of blog post or blog article, and after that I do keyword bombarding. This is very important, very amazing. And yes, if we say this is one of the website Uber Suggest provided by Neil Patel, and here you can see the search volume is 1300. That is pretty much awesome. And paid difficulty is 31, that is medium, and SEO difficulty is medium as well. So you can see there are nearly around 1300 searches are every single month. So out of that, if you are thinking that at least if you do the same thing, right? So understand one thing, whenever there will be new product launch, if you create a new website, then it will be easy to launch, it will be easy to rank on Google, because no one is creating, there is no competition, there is very less number of competition on that particular keyword, particular product, then you can generate good amount of money by creating a simple blog post, 1 or 2 pages blog post or 5 pages blog post or something like that. So for that I create a website maybe. And one more thing I want to clear to you people, whenever there is any kind of product launch, and if I think this product is high ticket product, I create a domain, I create a hosting, and to be very honest, it is a very proven strategy, and there are not lot of people who are doing the same thing, and it is very easy to rank on Google as well. So now the part what is keyword bombarding. So as I can see, there are different kind of SEO tools. So here with the help of Uber Suggest, this is a free tool, you will get all the keywords. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create different kind of articles, maybe you can include the whole thing, whole keywords, and you can include on your title, paragraph and also on tags as well as categories, and it will be helpful if you can improve them in Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager, if you don't know Google Tag Manager, it is a simple SEO tool of Google Webmaster, and you can implement the Google Tag Manager, and it will be easier to rank on Google as well. I hope this video will be helpful for all those people who are students who don't have any money to invest on hosting, or maybe who are learning phase, they don't want to invest money to hosting, to buy hosting or domain, or maybe those people who wants to just try WordPress and they want to build their own website. And yes, once you create your first website, then you can switch the hosting, and yes, you can generate good amount of money with the if you able to create a website, or maybe if you able to create a affiliate website. So I hope I was able to give a little bit overview how you can create your first website without even investing any money. So let me know if you have any other concerns in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me out on Instagram if you have any concerns. I'll try my level best to help out you people. If you like this content, make sure you people like this video, because it creates a motivation to myself to in order to create more videos for you people. And also don't forget to subscribe and press on bell icon so that whenever I release new videos, you people don't miss any of them. So thank you so much for watching the whole video. I understand it went a little bit longer, but I wanted to clear every single thing whatever is possible to cover in short time. And yes, thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.